Hey there. Cook smart, live stylish. That's kind of my motto, you know? And, alright, so let me introduce you to the CUCKOO 2 liters Multifunctional Electric Rice Cooker. It's honestly a game changer in the kitchen. With 13 unique menu options, you can enjoy popular choices like white rice, scorched rice, and porridge. Oh, and there's also this super versatile multi-cook option. Pretty cool, right? So, the 6-cup rice cooker, which makes up to 12 cups of cooked rice, really gives you the perfect serving amount for small gatherings, or, you know, small to medium-sized families. With the smart Micom Rice Cooker, you can just sit back and relax, because the smart cooking algorithm is designed to automatically cook delicious rice every single time. And whether you like your rice sticky, soft, or maybe more on the savory side, you can totally customize your rice texture with these 3 distinct options. Oh, plus, keeping your rice cooker clean and your rice tasting fresh is super easy with the removable non-stick inner pot detachable inner lid auto clean function and the excess water drainage dish.